Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to compare a Chalazion versus a STYE. What's the difference? Let's kick it off with Chalazion. At first, a Chalazion may cause a swollen eyelid, mild pain, and irritation. However, these symptoms disappear after a few days, leaving a round, painless swelling in the eyelid that grows slowly for the first week. Occasionally, the swelling continues to grow and may press on the eyeball and cause slight blurring. A red or gray area may develop on the underside of the eyelid. Most chalazia disappear without treatment within 2 to 8 weeks. If hot compresses are applied several times a day, chalazia may disappear sooner. If chalazia remain after this time, or if they cause vision changes, a doctor can drain them or inject a corticosteroid into them. Because chalazia are not caused by an infection, antibiotics are usually not effective. Meanwhile, a STYE usually begins with redness, tenderness, and pain at the edge of the eyelid. Then a small, round, tender, swollen area forms. The eye may water, become sensitive to bright light, and feel as though something is in it. Usually only a small area of the eyelid is swollen, but sometimes the entire eyelid swells. Often, a tiny yellowish spot develops at the center of the swollen area, usually at the edge of the eyelid. The STYE tends to rupture after 2 to 4 days, releasing a small amount of material, often pus, and ends the problem. Before I continue, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for all our updates. With an internal STYE, pain and other symptoms are usually more severe than with an external STYE. Pain, redness, and swelling tend to occur underneath the eyelid. Occasionally, inflammation is severe and may be accompanied by fever or chills. The best treatment is to apply hot compresses. The warmth helps the STYE come to a head, rupture, and spontaneously drain. An external STYE that does not resolve with compresses may need to be drained by a doctor. Because an internal STYE rarely ruptures by itself, a doctor may have to surgically drain it. Internal STYEs tend to recur. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.